Te Auaha, and welcome to Te Auaha, the New Zealand Institute of Creativity. We're a brand new, state-of-the-art melting pot where the storytellers, innovators and creators of the future are developed, with great tutors and industry connections to really help kickstart your new career. Te Auaha is Whitireia and Welltech's new artistic campus close to Cuba Street, Wellington's colourful creative centre. Anything's possible here, and there's truly nowhere to study that's quite like this. We have a massive 9,000 square metres of play space across 6 floors, where people like you and me bring our own ideas to life every day. Let's go and check out the very best in creative education. If you love to dance, we'll help you find ways to turn your passion into a profession. Here, you'll learn jazz, ballet, tap, hip-hop, commercial and lyrical dance, and discover Māori and Pacific contemporary dance.
If theatre, TV or film are your thing, we can help with that too. Actors and musical theatre students get the very best opportunities to shine. And as a screen content maker, you'll have access to the flashiest gear and exceptional industry specialists.
Plus, we have a beauty therapy school, hairdressing, barbering and makeup to make sure everyone looks amazing. And all those mirrors really make the room look bigger. If the radio life's for you, our radio broadcasting diploma will set you on the right track. Industry pros will guide you through every facet of this multimedia world. You'll write and present your own content, make a podcast, and broadcast from our fancy studios. If the beat controls your body, make some noise for New Zealand's first and longest standing contemporary music program. Whether you're in front of the mic, playing an instrument, rehearsing with a band, spinning some records, or running a mixing desk, you'll love it here. Maybe you're a bit of a wordsmith. Poetry, non-fiction, novels, whatever your story is, our writing course encourages you to live the life of a professional writer. Plus, we have New Zealand's only full-time publishing program. Other options here are visual and digital arts. That's photography, painting, drawing, digital communications, animation, visual effects, jewellery, sculpture, and so much more. And what's really great is all these people get to collaborate and work together in a myriad of amazing ways. On film shoots, on stage shows, in exhibitions, and all the rest. Te Auaha is where dreams come alive. Turn your creative dreams into a reality by studying with us, and all this could be yours.